Hello all, this is Avinash. This is one of the multiple videos discussing Cisco Meraki. In this module, we're gonna discuss Cisco Meraki wireless deployment. Cisco Meraki wireless access points are very easy to configure and they can be managed directly from the cloud dashboard. So as you know, in the traditional wireless deployment, you need a wireless controller to manage the entire your WLAN network. However, in case of Cisco Meraki, there is no extra wireless WLAN controller is needed. All you need is just wireless access points mounted on your floor. So let's see how exactly the Cisco wireless deployment, Meraki wireless deployment goes, and what all features we have in Cisco Meraki. So I'm going to the Cisco data sheet. So this is how the Cisco Meraki AP looks. You can see it has multiple features, like you can manage all the APs from the centralized cloud management. It doesn't need any separate hardware for the WLAN controller. So this shows some the inside circuit level design. So this is how the deployment is. So all the access points in your multiple branch office and the headquarter. So wherever it can be, you can club into one single dashboard, and from one single dashboard you can manage your entire WLAN infrastructure of your global network. So you can create separate network for each branch office and for your headquarter, and if you have any customer locations, or else if let's say you have any data center or whatever the location is, you can create the separate networks and you can manage from one single dashboard, and that dashboard can be accessible from the internet. So the multiple people, if they are located across the globe, they can just log into the dashboard by using the internet connection, and they can manage the entire wireless infrastructure. So there are many options compared to the other vendors. You can see, like, you can real time, I mean, like, you can see all the clients which are connected with the proper name, and there is even a grouping, and you can have very good reports, I mean, like, what is the usage and what is the percentage. There are many graph level and events you can see easily. Those we will see in the dashboard how exactly it looks. You can have the multi-site management, like as I said, like you can manage the WLAN network uh, spread across the globe. I mean, wherever it is, you can have those sites managed from one single dashboard. And there are a lot of other features like Air Marshal. You can see real-time wireless IPS, and some other. Okay, it's an enterprise security and a dedicated radio. You can do a lot of RF optimization and RF channel configuration from the cloud dashboard, and there are some inbuilt RF channel profile which you can use. But if the deployment is very big, so it is always recommended to have a wireless survey and decide the channeling accordingly. And it's BYOD ready. Other thing, yeah. So you have multiple models here. So based on the requirement, you can see the radio specification, and based on your requirement, you can go for the AP. So all the APs, like the configuration will be the same. You can manage directly from the cloud dashboard. Okay. Yeah, that's all in the data sheet, and let's go to the dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the wireless option. You can see multiple monitoring option here and multiple configuration. We will see one by one in the next videos. So this is how I have MR53 connected in my network. So it is already live, you can see online. I will just give a brief overview how exactly it looks. So once you connect your AP to your environment, and once that AP is reachable from the internet, so in your dashboard, once you do the licensing and everything, you can directly see the AP live in the wireless section. Yeah, that's all in this video, and in the next videos we will see how to do the configuration for the access point, initial configuration, and we will configure some SSIDs, and again we will see a lot of options available for those SSIDs. That's all in this video. Thank you.